Let me know if you can hear me. If you can't hear me, I've had to end the last stream. So if you can't hear me, I'm just going to end this anyway. Hi, can you hear me? Is that sound now? All right. So sorry if you couldn't hear me before. I was waiting for someone to confirm that they could hear, but they didn't come back, so I had to end that live. So a lot of you were talking about criminal law and also talking about section 33 and all of that. So I did say that I was going to make this video, and I'll just put it on my channel, and anyone who wants to watch it can watch it later on, but really answering some of your questions as well. So a lot of you have asked whether you should go for civil law or criminal law, or a lot of you just know people who have been to court. So I was at the criminal courts today. It's there. Sorry you couldn't hear me before. I thought since I'm here, I'll just do it anyway. So that's the magistrate's court. And they also have civil matters in this court. It's quite a big court, so it goes all the way there and to the other side as well. But it's really, really nice court. It's a court where you have minor offences and very serious offences tried there. I went for a minor offence today, but I've been to the Strand for very serious cases. So serious cases are like serious cases without saying what they are here. Why minor cases? I'm thinking I would like to buy some pomegranate for my husband. And they've got pawpaw here as well. Interesting stuff. Wow, they got cocoa yams. Good stuff. So anyway, I was saying they've got yams as well. Whoa. And plantains. So serious cases are serious cases which I would not really go into. Why minor cases are like traffic offense and those kind of cases. With traffic offenses, you're really looking at whether the person is pleading guilty or not guilty. Most times it's very, very clear what a person is pleading, and sometimes it isn't. I'm sorry if you were on the last live. I had to end it. I couldn't hear. There were 15 of you when I ended it. Really sorry about that. So you can always watch this back. But with the traffic offenses, you're looking at pleading guilty or not guilty. If you say you're not guilty, then the court doesn't deal with your case on that day. The court asks you to come back on another day. And then you can then make your plea on another day just to say why you are not guilty. When you say that you're not guilty, you will have to give evidence. So you can swear on the Bible, on the Quran, or you can just affirm. In affirming, you're just saying, I will tell the truth. If you're swearing on the Bible, then it's like the old sayings that you watch in the courts, in the movies, where it says, I swear by Almighty God that the evidence I shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. and then the court then takes evidence. So it's then looking at why you're not guilty. But then if you say you're guilty, then the court has to go to sentencing. And in sentencing, the court looks at other things like mitigating circumstances. Why did you do it? So if you can show that you did it because you were insane, you were drunk, or like in traffic cases, you can show exceptional hardship, like saying, if I lose my car, I would not be able to take my pregnant wife to the hospital. My children will not be able to go to school. Forgot to move at a traffic light. So if you can show exceptional hardship of why your license, your driving license, should not be collected from you, then the courts will be more likely to let you keep your license. It doesn't mean that you just walk away, but it just means that rather than losing your license, you would be paying a fine, or you can have a ban for a few days or 6 months. 6 months is usual. If, however, you are a taxi driver, for instance, and that's why it's so nice to have coins to hand. This is so good. Yeah. Wow, how good is that? Let's see if I... Yeah, I was saying that if you have... No worries, here you go. If you have a reason why you should not be banned, like you're a taxi driver, you can say that you will suffer exceptional hardship if your license is taken away, because obviously you need your car to be able to make money. Today, there were about 40 people in court. It just really shows you that, one, the government is making a lot of money from fining people, but it also shows you that a lot of people still do not understand that you can get a criminal record by speeding. So if you live in London, you might know that there's a lot of 20 miles. Oh, this is so nice. I just got a message from my client saying thank you so much. So if you live in London, you might know that there are a lot of places now that are 20 miles per hour. And it's such a headache because you're driving so slow. And if you're going into London, you just see all these cameras everywhere. Before you go like 1 mile, 2 miles, sometimes you're just every 100 feet here or there. And I mean, I'm exaggerating, but it's true. There are cameras everywhere. So a lot of people are ending up raking in 12 points on their license. And once you rake 12 points on your license, you're going to get a ban. If you have just the 3 points, then police would normally send you a letter and ask you to pay £100 or get 3 points. Or you actually get 3 points anyway, even if you paid £100. Before then, they send you on a speed course. Once you get to 12 points, then it's a problem. But it really depends on if you're just a new driver or if you've been driving for a long time. The thing with this market is you have to... They don't accept cards. I don't know that they do. I would have loved to get some nice fruits. I actually like the lychees and they look really, really good. This fruit just looks so fresh. And they've got like asparagus as well, which is £2. If I bought all of that if I bought all of this, I definitely would be looking at like £12 in the shop. They also have ginger and they've got garlic. This is so good. I had no idea that this market people, I should have thought about it. I'd have been able to get some cash to get some fruits like this. I love fresh fruits anyway. So yes, today was interesting. So for you guys who ask whether you should practice as a civil lawyer or as a criminal lawyer, it really depends what ticks your box or rocks your boat. If you like to help people, you can be a civil lawyer. If you like to help people, you can be a criminal lawyer. If you like to defend people in the criminal courts, even though you know that they might be guilty, then crime might be your thing. If you have a family member that ended up, suffering, going to jail, or police brutality or anything like that, then usually a lot of people then decide they want to do criminal law. Anyway, let me read your charts. I'm going to be ending this soon, but just wanted to talk to you about it. Criminal law doesn't bring a lot of money. In fact, it brings little to no money. I just like the way people are dressing. Like, people just, man, people watch all day. And you're allowed to people watch, by the way. Anything that your eyes can see, you can record. As long as you're in England, so don't quote me. But let's see your charts. Let's see what it is that you're saying. My God, so much light. Journal says we can. Revival Hope says we can hear you. Some messages retracted there. Sadly, a lot of you had to go with the last chart because I had to drop because I couldn't hear you. They have some vines here, some good dogs, very good looking dogs everywhere, like pretty dogs everywhere. Jewelry, it's quite a nice market. I had no idea that they had this market. But it's very good to see. The bank is even open. Wow, it just shows you how busy they are here. Because quite frankly, the banks don't open on Saturdays around where I am. But I think another thing is, I haven't really thought about what time it is. It's 12:39. So anyway, if you have come in to watch, thank you so much. I hope that this is a different kind of vlog style. Oh, is that an octopus or something? What fish is that? Wow, this is interesting. This is so fresh. Sorry. Oh my God, there's some squid here. Oh, that's really nice. What is?
Anything else? Yeah. Thank you.
It's a really nice one. Yeah, I think she actually takes cards, so I'm gonna end up coming back. I like to people watch. It's so nice to see like people making an effort to dress up and come out. It's really nice. It is nice. I think when you walk so hard, you normally don't even notice the people that go past you. So it's nice to be out on a Saturday, just being relaxed after work, Oh, this used to be my M&S. I haven't been into M&S in such a long time. I think the last time I came here, I had a little video as well. Might just grab a massive salad. Okay. She doesn't look too bad. Oh, let's see. That's quite a big bag. That's a good one for work. The thing about all of this is once there's a color out, everyone starts wearing just that color. This brown is so good. Oh, there's so much niceness that can go to court with me. This is nice. Do you see, I just said there's so much, and the music said there's no much. There's so much. Okay. Not today. Well, here we go. I don't shop anymore. I think I did a no buy challenge for 1 year and I put that on my channel. I did get work stuff, so if I needed like something to wear to work, I would get it, but I'm not looking for anything in particular. This is nice. The fabric is so plush. Well, guess who is not buying anything? Me. Well, I always like to look at, like the models that they have on there. This one is looking so good. A lot of fluffy stuff going on there. Look. It's pretty. And that belt is like the Salvatore Ferragamo belt. So I think it will sell out. Anything that looks like some dupe normally sells out. This is so nice. I will wear this to work. This is really, really nice. And some more, like chic things. That's why I like M&S. It's just really good fabric. I hope they don't change, because some of the things I've seen here today, they're no. I don't understand. There's a lot of polyester going on. Like this one, I don't understand it. I don't understand this at all. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Go, girl. Yeah, that's it. That's what we want to see. Anyway, thank you for your like. I've had at least 200 of you today. So that's good for someone who hasn't done this in such a long time. So it might be that I do more videos like this where I just take you around. It might be. It's not always possible. Come on, girl. It's really nice. They've got food here, which is good. Yeah, I'm gonna end this soon. Continue to leave your questions. I will continue to answer them as much as I can. And I hope that you have enjoyed walking around. It might not be very stable internet. Well, we can always just have these charts. And then I will still have the sit-down videos. But if I were to wait for that, it would never happen. So I'm just going to do what I can do when I can do it. Shops have come out with Valentine things. These are quite cheap. I saw them when I was going past, and I think that this is such a beautiful, beautiful shop. Look, really nice. You can get yourself a trophy for £3. These are Valentine things, so okay. A rose flower for £2. All right, thank you so much. It's been such a pleasure talking with you guys. Really enjoy just not having to think about anything so serious. Some more Valentine things there. Interesting times. So you have Christmas, and then you have Valentine. Everything starts going red. Some more in there. And then you have Easter, and then there's something else again. So you're just buying every day. It's always something to buy. There's always something to buy. I wish I could hear this guy play. I think he would be so good. It looks really, really good. There is a barbecue. I'm quite surprised because there's so much pollution. But the council actually allows this, so I'm quite impressed, to be fair. I'm quite impressed. I wonder if he's using coal or he's using gas. It's actually using coal. This is not bad at all. It's It's not bad. Food looks good. Eating with a smile. Wow, this is good stuff. That looks so good. Wow, impressed. What's that? Look, he's here to look as well. Okay, we don't want any children. And to keep children safe. Ah, this is nice. This is so good. And the fire is so warm. Hello. This is really good. Well done. It's the best one, yeah? Oh my gosh. Good stuff. It's Greek.
It's mine, but they say, you know, the customers and friends that this is the best.
They say this is the best, yeah? I'm definitely coming to have a sit down. What days do you open?
Every day.
Every day.
Yes, every day. We don't come when the weather is very bad.
Okay. Is that chicken?
Chicken, pork, and the lamb and beef.
Wow.
All mixed, everything.
This is so good.
Yes.
It is
Very much.
yummy. I'm definitely going to bring my family. Well done. No worries at all. Eating with a smile. The Greek way, there is a queue. Okay, this is the kind of business I want to see. I like when there is a queue, it says everything. Like it just tells you how good it is. How beautiful is London? How beautiful is London? London is beautiful. Beautiful people, beautiful streets. The markets, I love markets. I can just look at markets every other day. And you know what? I really like it when you have like the elderly people, like still in business. That one is cutting he's shaving them and he's making sure that they look really nice. Oh, he's hot himself. It might be cold as well. That's another thing. It's just so nice to see. They're actually selling fruits and flowers. They're quite fresh. These are like farm fruits. And he looks at it and he makes sure that it's fine before he puts it for sale. Cuts away, you know, like all the bad ones. I mean, it's just so good. Wow, good. These are flowers. Why do we have them with the food? That's a cake person that I buy stuff from here with macarons. And I think I'm just gonna go into, let's see if they still have the macarons, but I just don't have the energy. I'm gonna go into the Apple and just find out what's going on. So walk with me. Hi. This is the Apple store. Oh, with a broken. Whoa. That's the 17. Whoa. That was my birthday present from Hobby. It looks nice. I still use the old phone that I have, and I don't plan to change anytime soon. I still have my watch as well. If anything, I might buy a strap, a good one. I was just trying to think of something that was less interesting than this, but I couldn't. So this is definitely the most least interesting. What did he call himself as a Dr. Smokkel? You're on high energy. Your adrenaline is too high. It's when you look at things and you want to jump into something else. So you need to just calm. On my channel, I do focus study videos, you should look at those just to focus. When you can focus on very little things, you find you appreciate, you know, little things, if that makes any sense. Hi, Jono. Hi, Jono. I know you like the Apple store, so definitely need to come fix my, I don't know what that's called, the little buttons. Since I got that iMac, I've not been able to really use it. So it needs to come in, just need to save stuff. Oh, that's really cute. How cute is that? This is cute. iPod Max. It's quite a nice shop. And it's always busy. You actually think that people don't have money, but coming to places like this and you're like, no, there's money. And what is this for? Not sure. Yeah, I definitely want one of these straps, but no, I don't want a sporty one. I want silver or something. Definitely nothing sporty. Oh, the ultimate way to watch your goals. Yeah. I don't think you should upgrade on the watch. I've got a different watch from my husband, but the watch that I have, I don't think I will ever change it. I've had it for such a long time. It does everything. Heart rate, heart rhythm, steps, everything. So what's the point? Idris Elba. Apple TV. That's one TV I just never watch. I got like Apple TV 1 year for free, and I just couldn't get myself to use it for anything. Yeah, that's the 17. No. No. That looks smaller than the 17. That's the 17. Anyway. This looks good. Wow. How cool. And you can book a demo. If anything, yeah, Apple has done so well for themselves. So well. Just in case you were wondering, I'm done with court now. I'm just going around. I would like to buy some very nice room spray and from Rituals. They make like the best ones. And the first time I saw this tree, I was like, whoa. And now I'm just so used to it. But I think this is such a good concept. You come here and you cannot help but notice that tree. Every time you go past any of their shops, you know the tree's there. So it's such a business concept that is so good. I was looking for macarons. I was thinking I will buy some for my daughter, but it looks like that shop has closed down. Sorry. Yeah, I really enjoy the Apple shop. I just never have time to come around and shop or go around. And I hope the quality of this is not too bad. If you're like me, you can watch this video and clean and cook and all of that. Oh, okay, the fragrance shop. Oh, since this Gucci one is good. I feel like I'm done with perfumes. Enough. If anything, if they have the Hugo Boss bag, I don't mind the Hugo.